Pecguche Waterfall.
The place is very visited by forest tourists. Over the years, there has been a progressive increase in national tourism. The waterfall is located within protected forest. Festivals held in the place such as the Inter-Army or Festival of the Sun and the Harvest stand out. It has a great flora and fauna that is very attractive to tourists.
We recommend the place to spend a family weekend away from the city. It is recommended to go with a crowd of friends or family if you want to make the experience even better. It is important to remember that the waterfall has danger around it and it is recommended that children be accompanied by a family member. It is advisable to go with comfortable clothes to be able to carry out the activities proposed on the website and enjoy more. It is recommended to observe and visit the place for the flora and fauna that exists in the place, but at the same time we must not try to solve it. We must take care of it and respect it. Go and visit it, you will enjoy it a lot. Thank you.